Okay.
Alright, so this next hard piece, you gotta go out to the fishing hole with this super fishing babe. And you wanna go to the southern end of this rock, but actually more of the southwestern end. Not where I'm at right now. There it is, over there to the right. Oh. That's where I meant to go initially. But yeah, you're gonna have to use your fishing pole to get this one, and it's kinda tricky. You gotta line it up just right. You can tell it took me a few tries by the change in time. So, once you get it all lined up, just start fishing for it. Woohoo!